The women's, we're learning to stick together more now. I like to go to them one-on-one to let them know what's going on. They call me auntie. They probably say, auntie did it. My name is Angela McRae, and I am a machine tender. I've been a machine tender about 15 years. So I like what I do. So I just get to come in and put my bags up and wash the machine and troubleshoot my machine, and if something go wrong, you know, I'm trying to figure it out before I call maintenance. So I like that right there, trying to figure out what's going on. So it gives me a challenge every once in a while. We out here sometimes so much, so we try to be family oriented. So we're working on that with the younger generation. We just talk to them, we get to know each other, and sometimes it get real personal. We know this and we know that. It's like our kids grew up together. We talk about our kids. They have little babies now, so we just try to help each other out. It actually feels special. It's like maybe I can impart some good things to them, to how they live, you know, give my experience, and help them not only on the job, but off the job. Passing them down from generation to generation. Because I want you to be like me, and I want you to be better than me. I tell them that, you know, we have to have a goal. When we come in, we know what we need to do. Don't procrastinate to go ahead. If you need these many bags, go ahead and get these many bags. Don't wait. And just make sure you hold up your own end. Whatever it is, do it the best you can do. If you're sweeping the floor, sweep that floor the best you can sweep. This is how we do it. This is how we make money. This is how we keep the doors open. Have pride in your job. That goes a long way. My name is Angela McRae, and I am a manufacturer.